Hi, here's how you can set up shareable activities inside of Trek. So as the teacher, I come in, I click Tools, and now I can click Shareable Activities. And from here, I type in the name of what I want. So we're going to do Great Gatsby paper check, right? And so the idea is I can select rubric here, but let me explain a little bit of what we can do here. So shareable activities allow you as the teacher to create activities for students that will that allow Trek to act in a certain way. So here, brainstorm session, you can set Trek to be a brainstorming partner for your students. Always with Socratic method, always with this kind of like education forward first approach to it. Here, chat with a historical figure. You can set up Trek to be a historical figure. So we see, or a fictional character. So we want to chat with Gatsby, or we want to chat with Martin Luther King Jr., or whatever it might be. We've even seen some teachers are chatting with a plague doctor during the bubonic plague, right? World language. This is world language practice. And simply what you do here is you can give the grammatical concept, the language, and the level inside of it. And I'll show you where you would put that content there. Rubric, you give Trek a rubric, and it's going to assess a student's paper based upon that rubric. So you give Trek the rubric, and then from there, the student is going to go and they can upload their content into Trek, their paper into Trek, and Trek will read their paper, read your rubric, and give them personalized feedback. It's not going to give a grade. It's going to really just kind of act like as a study partner there. Tutoring session, you can upload your lesson plan. We see this a lot where students absent, and so a teacher will upload their PowerPoint or their lesson plan, and now the student can come in and get the help they need for that. Custom activity, I'll come back to that one, but debate, you can set up Trek to be a debater about, should we do gene editing? And so here you would give Trek a perspective. It'll take that perspective. It's great for classes that want to prepare for a debate, getting students one-on-one, especially thinking about the other side's arguments. Elementary rubric and elementary tutor. These are just like tutoring and rubric, but they're more designed for elementary students. So highly simplified vocabulary. It's targeting more that elementary feel there as well. So here we're going to upload rubric. I'm going to select my class here, and I can assign it to whichever class I want. And then from there, I give instructions to students. And so I could say, chat with Trek about your Great Gatsby paper. That'll help, right? And then here I can give the content. I can just paste the rubric into Trek. Don't worry about the formatting. Or this is where I would type, be pro genome editing or something, Or if it's world language, use beginner Spanish, practice verse, oops, it's going to correct me, versus a star there, right? All those sorts of things. And then from there, you're going to click choose from your computer. So I'm going to upload it real quick. Got to get that ready. And then once I get it uploaded, I can click add to grading if I want to add it to my grade book. I can give it any sort of additional context here as well. And then I simply click assign. And that's how I can share activities with students. And then just real quick from the student side, you're just going to click your class and it'll pop up right there for you. You'll see it under assignments or activities. Thanks.